Recently, one of my viewers wanted to know how to make a fruitarian dish. There are many different types of being a vegetarian, and one of them is eating fruit, being fruitarian. Probably messing that word up. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this with a very, very ripe persimmon that I got from Nancy, a banana. This is dairy-free yogurt made with soy, so it's got 6 grams of protein in here. A few green grapes and some papaya, very ripe papaya. And that's going to be my lunch today, a basic fruit lunch. All right, here goes.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Step 1, get a bowl. We're going to use this one, I'm going to wash it. Now I've washed it, but the underneath of this has got mold in it, and that happens when these are very, very ripe. You don't worry about that. You get your bowl. You're not going to eat the stem side, and you just simply cut into it. It's very, very ripe. You want the skin. You want all the flesh. That's about as much as we're going to get. You want any of this part of the skin that doesn't have the mold on it. If it's got mold on it, you don't want it. So there, that's probably right there. And if you wanted to, you could dice this. This is almost like, okay, now you see right here, this piece there, that's the seed. So, last year when you saw me make these persimmons, here's another seed right here. I had hundreds and hundreds of these I could show you. This year I got 2 persimmons. I found out that persimmons fruit every 2 years. So we were incredibly lucky last season. Next we're going to take some green grapes and we're just going to put them in there. Don't put the stems in, they don't taste good. After that we're going to peel over, it's going to be a little green. My wife loves them when they're green like this. I like them when they're brown, full of dots. But you know, that's the way it is. You're going to slice this up. You could do this on a cutting board, but there's no need. Next, we're going to get to the entire yogurt container. I'm going to pour it inside. You're going to need a spatula to scrape these. Do it like this. One of these new cool spatulas we got. Lick this later. Finally, we're going to put the papaya in next. Papaya makes a huge mess, so you want to get yourself a cutting mat so that you can cut the papaya. when it's this ripe, I try to eat it as fast as I can so it doesn't go bad on me. See, these are the papaya seeds trying to run away. Save this. Now you could save these seeds, and I made a video on how you could use these seeds. So we're just going to pull some out. Now to know the exact amount of what you're taking, you'd have to measure and weigh everything. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to say that this is pretty close to a cup. Now when you don't use it, leave the seeds in. They will protect the inside. Now tonight I'm going to have to use this up, because if I don't use it, then it could get moldy, it could get a bit bad for me. This is a very ripe papaya. Okay. Now this one here, you just take it off like this and cut those seeds out. And then pick it up and just simply take those seeds out like this. Now it doesn't hurt you at all if you get some of these land in your plate. They have such a mild flavor, they will not hurt you at all. Some people use papaya seeds if they have any kind of parasites. You never know when you're eating some exotic fruit what's going to happen, or some exotic meats. Not a problem when you're vegan, but still. This is one way to be able to control that. Okay, so we'll leave these seeds in. The other seeds, I'm going to get rid of. Got our bowl over here on the edge. You can see it right here. Take your papaya and take the skin off. At this point, you could peel it really carefully and it would come off. But what I'm going to do is take about 1/8 of an inch behind it. You can see quite a bit of flesh is on the skin. Flip it over, make sure you have your seeds are done, and cut it in bite-sized pieces. Or any size that you feel that is appropriate for you or your family or yourself. Pick it up, throw it on top. It'll give what you're going to be eating a very nice flavor on the top. Your Fruitarian Salad. Basically your fruit salad. Same thing here. And it's just going to take some time, so I'm going to be quiet. You can zip through this. You don't have to watch me peel the entire papaya. Take 2 spoons like this. You want to mix the yogurt into it. Now, if you wanted totally fruit, you wouldn't be using yogurt. But this was a nut yogurt that we were using. It's yogurt alternative made with soy, so it wasn't. It had peach mango flavor in it, and it was a soy yogurt. Okay, so that's it. You can serve it to your family now. You can take as big a bowl as you want. And I use a lot of persimmons because I love persimmons. Alright, so remember, being a fruitarian, that's just one level of being a vegetarian. They basically eat fruits, and most of the time they eat raw fruit. They don't cook their fruit, though some people do. It just depends what level of a person that you are in this vegetarian lifestyle. For me, I'm vegan. I eat a lot of my fruits, and I mash it with vegetables and nuts and legumes and just about everything else. So this has got a very nice taste. On top of it being very, very ripe fruit, it also has the yogurt that's helping me with the protein. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to you seeing our next fruit or dessert recipe. You want some? You want some?
Some more.
You want some fruit? You know how much?
Oh, nice fruit salad.
Yeah, delicious. It's got yogurt in it too. Like more than that?
A few grapes.
Okay.
Thank you, that's it.
I'll make sure I put some grapes on mine. Okay, let's get you a spoon.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.